The brown recluse spider can kill a person, and even these lifeless frozen ones at Wolford Hall Medical Center can cause harm.
The toxin is still dangerous. It's extremely potent. These spiders have been caught in old buildings, and we bring them back, put them in the deep freezer to kill them.
But these dead spiders may one day save lives. Researchers here at Wolford Hall discovered that when the spider venom is removed and mixed with human plasma, it mimics lupus anticoagulants, which is a blood problem common in AIDS victims.
Well, it'll help diagnose people that are in this group and possibly get a better handle as to, for example, people who just have the AIDS antibody, as to when they might possibly be converting. We can monitor them and see when they convert to the ARC or full AIDS disorder.
Perhaps the most tedious part of the spider research is actually catching these guys. About 400 are dissected a year, but they might be able to teach us about AIDS and a lot more.
There's a lot of promise in young women that have recurrent miscarriages. They just can't carry a baby past a couple of months. If they turn out to have a lupus anticoagulant and they can be treated, they can carry a baby to full term and go ahead and have children. So there are other fields besides AIDS in which this shows some promise.
The Clinical Investigations Facility at Wolford Hall is the only known lab in the country working on this kind of spider research. But the results of the studies done here may be used in hospitals around the world. Yolanda Graham, Channel 5 Eyewitness News.
Researchers have collected hundreds of the poisonous spiders. Dr. Jim Babcock and David McGlasson learned that when they mixed venom from the dead insects with human plasma, it mimicked an anticoagulant which causes a blood problem common in AIDS victims.
Well, it'll help diagnose people that are in this group and possibly get a better handle as to, for example, people who just have the AIDS antibody, as to when they might possibly be converting. We can monitor them and see when they convert to the ARC or full AIDS disorder.
The researchers collect about 400 spiders a year from buildings around the country.